What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the K20A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So y'all see it? What's going on? I got the tranny back here covered up with a princess blanket. I got the Type R back here covered up with a trash bag covering up the top of the head. And yeah, boys, just trying to get it a little warm. It's about 63 degrees outside right now in VA. But for some reason, well, I know why, but my building is in the very back behind my house. And this is a shaded area. I had to cut down like 8 trees before I got the building brought here. So yeah, it's all wooded area, so it's always shaded. And even cutting out all them trees, this place stays probably sometimes even almost as close as like 7-8 degrees colder than the front of my house. So it's crazy, but yeah, it's always really cold out here. So I figured if it's 63 outside, then it's probably a lot cooler down here. So I just got my heat running full blast right now to get it nice and hot in here. Really is what I wanted. I just want it hot in here for real, as hot as I can get it. And I got my heat gun as well. I'm just gonna preheat the valve cover as well. I'm gonna put the heat gun up to it. And once I get it up warm enough, where I think it's warm enough, I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down this VHT paint, which I'm gonna show y'all what it is we're going with here shortly. But I'm gonna quit rambling, boys. I'm gonna get everything set up and get started, to get started on this valve cover. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing. Go on and smash a like while you're at it too, helps the channel. And I'll be back with y'all boys as soon as I get set up. All right, boys, so now that we got the valve cover heated up some, I'm probably going to reheat it again. But now that we got the valve cover heated up some, I had this sitting out in the front, in front of my porch on the stones there in front of the house. The sun is out and it's beaming directly on those stones. So I just had it warming up because I don't want to have to put it in front of the heat. It's a little reckless, a little dangerous if you ask me. But yeah, boys, this is the paint we're going to be going with today. So VHT's Wrinkle Red, Wrinkle Plus, withstands 350 degrees. So I've painted valve covers in the past with just any color, any paint, any brand, and it usually holds up if you do it right. You scuff everything down and wipe everything down, which I just did that before I started putting the heat gun to it. I wiped it down with this stuff here. My buddy Marco put me onto this stuff. Shout out to Marco. Don't know if you'll ever see this, but it's one of those good pointers he gave me. I was using rubbing alcohol before when I was doing the body work and stuff, and when I went to work on the body of the coupe in his shop, he put me onto that stuff. That's what he wipes everything down with before he paints. And can't complain about that man's paint job. So yeah, shout out to Marco. It's a good pointer, life hack, whatever. But yeah, boys, I'm just gonna get this thing heated up a little bit more. And I want it good and toasty and warm when I lay down this first coat. Now, the way this Wrinkle Plus is supposed to work is they want you to use it between like 60 and 90 something degrees. And you're supposed to do 3, I've seen it different ways. I've seen light coat first, then 2 heavy coats. I've seen 3 heavy coats, but you know, that's, I guess, personal preference. But I do know that it's 10 minutes between each coat. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna you know, I'll probably end up doing light and then go into heavy coats. I have to see what it sprays out like, what this stuff comes out like, because you know that all makes a difference. So yeah, I'll have to see how it all comes out and how it lays and all that. But yeah, I'll probably start light, and I'm definitely going to start in this coil cover area or whatever, and yeah, then I'll come out or whatever. But yeah, boys, just gonna go ahead and get this thing warmed up. And the first layer, or the first coat, is going to be vertically, which is up and down. And then the second coat is going to be horizontally, which is side to side. And then the third and final coat is going to be diagonally. It's the way VHT tells you to do it. They also tell you to do it in when you're done painting, stick it in the oven. Is the traditional, sorry, can't talk today. It's the traditional way to do it, but the right way to do it by VHT's instructions. But I got an oven that I'm thinking about keeping for powder coating, but just not sure if I'm going to go that route. And I really want to get this valve cover done before I, you know, throw this motor in the car. And so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and do it this way, the YouTube way, because I've seen this on YouTube everywhere. So yeah, boys, just gonna get this thing warmed up, and I'll be back with y'all. All right, boys, got that thing warm and toasty. I'm just gonna get my heat shut off. I've been shaking this can for about a minute, maybe a little over. Just gonna get my heat shut off and moved away from the project. And we're just gonna go ahead and get our vertical coat laid down. So I'm gonna get y'all on the time lapse for that. So let's get it, boys. I'll take that back. I'm gonna get y'all on a video because it's gonna be short anyway. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you, I don't know if I'm a fan of this stuff yet. I got the first coat laid down, but I don't know. It comes out weird. It's almost like it's really thick. It's wanting to run already, and I'm a pretty decent painter, especially with a rattle can. So I know I'm capable of doing pretty decent work with what I got. And stuff's just not easy to paint with. But at the same time, maybe it's just old. I've had this thing since my buddy worked at Napa. So might just be old. I had to take a cap off of another can to get this can to work. So might just be that. But that's the first coat, which was vertically. The next one will be horizontally. So, which is my preference of how to shoot a can. So I should do pretty good with that coat. As you can kind of see already, guys, it's already wanting to wrinkle. I don't know if that's because I heated it up prior. So I think we're definitely going to get a wrinkle effect out of this paint. Just don't know exactly what the finished product's going to look like, but you boys is about to find out with me. So let's get it. All right, there's a second coat. I don't know, boys. I don't know how I feel about this stuff, but it's wanting to splatter when it comes out. It's wanting to spit and carry on. It even wants to run, so we'll see what it looks like when it's done. And if it's too ugly, then, well, you'll have to wait for that surprise. All right, boys. As you can see, this is after the second horizontal coat. It's already starting to wrinkle. But yeah, guys, it's definitely starting to get the wrinkle effect already, and ain't putting no heat to that paint yet, so I know we got it good and warmed up. Just getting ready to hit it with this third and final coat. Now this go around, boys, I'm gonna do diagonal like I'm supposed to. And with what's left, I'm just gonna hit the spots that I know might have been hard to get paint to lay in, especially the way this stuff's coming out. But I'm just gonna go over everything heavy and use up the rest of this can, boys. Let's get it. All right, guys, that's after the third coat. As y'all see, your boy went extra heavy. It's either gonna go or blow, so it's either gonna look good or it's not. Right now, it looks amazing, so yeah, boys, phone don't wanna focus, but right now it looks amazing, so now I'm just gonna throw the heat to it, guys. All right, boys, that's after holding the heat gun to it. Check it out, boys. So I let it sit for about 30 minutes. And yeah, that's what we looking like. So I just came out here and flipped it. Let me tell you guys, you'll break a sweat in this building. It's that hot off of that heater. I got it turned on full blast. And yeah, boys, it's hot. So I just came and flipped it. And since it says do it in the oven for 2 hours, I'm just, I'm doing it out here for 2 hours like this. And so it's 4 sides. So I'm gonna do 30 minutes a side. And then when that's done, I'll just probably take it outside, let it sit in the sun the rest of the evening. And then tomorrow, I don't think I'm going anywhere tonight on the road. So tomorrow I'll probably come out here and take some sandpaper to that Honda and chrome that on out. And then, yeah, it's not perfect, boys. Definitely looks 100 times better. And it's gonna look way better than it ever did for real because the valve cover came chipped up and messed up from Japan. So the only spot I really see is over here in this corner. Right there. But here's what it is, guys. It's good for now. It's better than it was. All right, boys, so that's going to do it for this video on the wrinkle red valve cover. I'm not going to lie, boys, I like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I was going to like it on the first pass. It's definitely not perfect. I'm a real picky, meticulous man, so to me, there's a lot of imperfections, but as you can see, it looks sick. It looks really good. I sent some videos to my homeboy. I sent a video to my cousin out in AZ, and you know, they both was like, you know, they loved it. So it definitely does look good. Like I said, it's got some imperfections. And this isn't a how-to video. This is just a video of, you know, me wrinkle red painting my valve cover. And it's for my audience, for my followers, my supporters, my subscribers. So I'm not a professional. I don't do this for a living. It's just a hobby. It's a passion. So yeah, boys, definitely gonna wanna stay tuned. I just got a box in today from HPT. Shout out to HPT. It's our timing chain guys and our chain guides and our tensioner and all that good stuff. So we're going to be dropping a video here soon, God willing, on installing the new timing chain on the K20. So definitely going to want to stay tuned. I appreciate you all. Like I always say, I love you all. God bless you all. And until the next one, boys, we out.